told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
Hey friends, it's your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be definitely on another sensational wig, the Sensational Butter Lace Wig, human hair in premium fiber blend. It's a blend, guys. It's a blend. And this is the loose curly 32. Now, the other one that I did was the loose wave. It was the loose wave and it was a 30-inch. This is a 32-inch. So this is my girl right here. And this is from the What Lace collection, of course. And on the back, you'll see the normal lace and what the Butter HD lace looks like. That's right there. This unit is so beautiful. So curly. This is how she comes. I love the boxes that they have. She comes with baby hair sitting right there. You see that baby hair sitting right there. She's 32 inches. The pattern on this curly wig is amazing. Honey, I cannot wait to install this. You already know that I am coming to slay, okay? Let's slay. So this is what the front looks like. Yes, honey. Nice. You got a nice little part. It's not a lot of parting right now, but you know, it's enough for right now. But I'll see when I'm done, you know, if I can go further back. So inside of here, this is the parting space that you have. You do have some to customize the front if you need to. I'm probably not going to even customize it like that. We have a small comb here, a small comb there, and we have a bigger comb in the back with adjustable straps. So this curl pattern is, oh, she is really nice. Okay, guys, definitely she is a middle part because it goes from ear to ear, and if you try to make it anything else, it's not going to work. So she is definitely a middle part. Oh, she is so gorgeous. She is so gorgeous, honey. I cannot wait to slay, okay? Let's slay this wig. So if you want to customize more, you can. I'm not going to be doing all that. I'm only going to customize only the areas that I'm going to be working in. Maybe. Maybe. You never know when you go in and then you be like, okay, well, I need to customize more. But these are the baby hairs and it's already taken out for you. Yeah, I'm probably going to pull some hairs out right here. So let's go ahead and give another look at what she looks like. This is what she looks like. And she comes in a variety of colors. And we have the loose curly 32. And she's from Samsbeauty.com. So we have 3 wigs from there, and this is the second wig. Look at her left. You see her left? She is, whoo, girl, she is showing off. You heard me. Anyway, guys, okay, let's go ahead on and slay. pleased. Super, super pleased, y'all. Oh my goodness. Listen, I've been trying to find a nice curly big wig like this, y'all, because you know the glam, y'all. It's something about the glam, something about the bigness. I'm about to flip her back so you can see her, honey, okay? So I'm telling you, she is not for the shy. She is not for the faint at heart. She is for the glam. She is for the divas. She is for the ones that just don't care what nobody say, okay? So let's flip her on over, honey. And y'all see this, girl? I just love it when I put my lashes on and do my makeup. I look so Chinese. So, listen. This is what she looks like, girl. Oh, my goodness. What? Look at her. Girl, she is so flowy, so nice, and she is so soft. Oh, my goodness. And she is super long, super puffy. I love it. Now, because I combed her out a little bit is the reason why I got these types of curls, because she was tighter, but I wanted something that was big. You know, I feel like I have a big face, y'all, so I wanted something that was like, oh my goodness, girl, look at me, okay? Look at me, look at Jay. Let me comb this out a little bit right here, because I want that to be nice. Look at her tips. She is beautiful. So this is the loose curly 32 inches. Baby, she is serious. She is seriously, look, 32 inches, okay? She is long. She is always catching me all the way at the hip area, okay? So, listen, she is not for the faint. I'm telling you now, don't think you're going to get this wig and she's going to be subtle. She's not to be shut down. She's not to be quiet, okay? She's just like letting you know, baby, this is me. Here I am. This is the life of the party. You are going to be the life of the party. With this big hair, don't care, okay? So you already know I'm going to go here on and place some pictures on Instagram so you can be able to see what my girl looks like. Look at her. She is amazingly, everything is amazing to me. When it's, listen, girl, she is lit, okay? She is lit. She is fire. So what I did was went on and put 3 baby hairs, one big one here, one big one here, and one big one in the middle. And I went on and sprayed it with the even, where's that at, girl? With the even, usually I'll put everything right back when I'm done. So what are you doing here? Anyway, with the even medium brown spray. So I didn't have to use my concealer today or anything to put into the paws because she is blending, baby. She is blending. You said she's blending, okay? She is doing what she needs to do. Okay, so if y'all don't like big hair or whatever, honey, you know, don't go get her. She is fabulous. She is beautiful. She is new. She is me. She is me. Girl, this brings a person out their shell real quick, okay? If you're in a shell, put her on. And listen, people need to know, when you put a wig on, that wig can either make you happy, make you sad, or make you joyous, or make you diva-ish, or make you as though you just like, I am that girl, okay? I am that it girl. And right now, she makes you feel like you that it girl. So, let me get out of here, y'all, because I can go on and on about her. I'm going to wear her today. And I have gym tonight, so, y'all, I'm not going to wear her for gym because she's not gym material. She is actually, yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to get out here because y'all know I can go on and on and on and on and on about her. She is just so beautiful. She is so beautiful. She makes me feel beautiful. So, like I said, she's long. She's not for the faint at heart. I'm going to go ahead and take some pictures for the gram. That way you guys can see it. And I'll put down the specs and everything down in the description bar. As far as the shedding, she's synthetic, y'all. She is synthetic, okay? She is synthetic. This is what I just ran through. One right here. So, she's synthetic. Expect some shedding, so that's just it. Expect some shedding. Even human hair sheds, but everything will be down in the description. But y'all feel so pretty. Yes, girl, with her. Okay, yes. Girl, I feel sexy. Alright, y'all, let me get out of here. So y'all know, like J Baby says, oh, first off, thank you so much, Samsbeauty.com, for hooking a sister up, okay? Thank you so much. And I'm looking forward to doing the last one I have. That will be probably next week, so I don't know. Or probably be tomorrow, I don't know, but girl. Alright, guys, so You already know, like your girl J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.